Okay, easy question first. Please can you tell me your name and your role at Vivid?
So I'm Lewis Evans, Product Manager at Vivid Laminating Technologies. That's it.
And can you tell me firstly a bit about what Vivid does as a company?
Yeah, so we manufacture finishing systems, some award-winning, luckily, with our own patents as well. That we're constantly trying to bring out new ideas for the industry and our customers to help them grow. That's our philosophy.
And what are the different ranges that you offer?
So we do digital foiling and laminating systems, creasing, cutting systems, and then mainly also what we're known for in the last couple of years, the VeloBlade range, digital cutting, taping as well, software now too, and our new design suite being Zipcore, and more new stuff to come, hopefully.
Nice. And what are some of your kind of most popular items that you offer at the moment in the market?
So at the moment we've got a couple that a lot of people you can see everywhere is the VeloBlade range and the uniqueness and how easy they are to use. They're very popular. We do installing every few days a system at the moment across the UK and overseas as well. Then the Matrix range, which we've sold a few thousand units in the UK and overseas as well. There too. And then earlier this year in March we launched our design suite being Zipcore, which goes with VeloBlade and the Matrix, and that's gone really well since launch at Sign & Digital. Was that end of March? April? Yeah.
And then can you tell me a bit about what sort of products can be made using your kit?
So I kind of like to angle it that it's something you can think of in your mind that you feel that your customer would like. Within reason, you would be able to create that into a design using Zipcore and other packages too, to be fair, and the VeloBlade can do it. It can cut down to such fine detail and create so many unique products. So when we first launched the range, people were comparing it to die cutting, but it's so much more than that. It complements traditional die cutting, but it can offer you the uniqueness that customers want these days to stand out, and it will give you that.
And do you find quite often customers will buy one of each of the range and put them together to make a full solution?
Yeah, so we had yesterday, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is your question, we had a customer on here yesterday who said, I bought everything you've got on here for my business now, and I thought that was a great testament that the products are obviously relevant to our industry that we're in. We've got multiple customers that have pretty much bought every product that's on this stand here today, so I probably need to get our heads down with the team and come up with some new stuff.
That's quite a testament though to you.
It is nice to hear that sort of thing, yeah.
And then just generally in terms of the company as well, you've recently had quite a few milestones of long-standing members of staff.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a bit about that?
Yeah, I mean, far surpassed myself of 18 years. We've got a number of people that have been with us for 20, 25 years. My father, setting the business up in 1987. There's some people that joined early 90s that are still with us today and massive, massive assets to the business. I don't know what we'd do without them, and some of them are over my shoulder here today, touching 30 years almost soon. So yeah, it's incredible. It's like a big family, and just trying to grow, but also be small enough to care as well.
And then also you mentioned some of your kit is award-winning. We've recently, hot off the press, heard that your new taper has won an award. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so new news because it was yesterday. It was announced. So in America, the Pinnacle Awards, we have won an innovation award for the innovation that we produced throughout last year, being the VeloTaper. That is a retrofittable taping system which frees anybody up in-house hand taping. So we won that award yesterday, and yeah, we're all very delighted, and of course we're not shouting about it too much here at the show.
What do you think it is about that technology that got the attention of the award?
I think how it looks as well, and how it looks when it's running, it looks cool. It's also a massive added benefit in time saving as well, freeing somebody up that would be being paid on per the hour to hand tape with a tape gun, getting away from them sort of technologies now, and Vivid coming up with these sort of ideas, I think, is a way for us to serve customers throughout the future. So we're going to try and do more of it. But yeah, the VeloTaper is a must-have really if you've got a digital cutting system.
And then just moving on to today, so we're here at the print show. Vivid has been a long-standing supporter of the print show.
Yeah.
What kind of things, I mean, you've got a lot of different technologies, but what are you showing on your stand this year?
Yeah, so the award-winning VeloTaper's behind us on the far corner. Our zip core being demonstrated by Millie is on the screen behind us as well, which is new for this year that we haven't had at other print shows. Then we've got our big VeloBlade Nexus, which is it's been unbelievable how many units we've sold of that, and customers really happy, so I'm really happy we've managed to serve that industry in wide format. The Nexus is a real big shout of ours. With the router, we've put a lot of time and effort into producing a really high quality wide format cutting system, but without having the massive price tag to go with it.
And then just generally in terms of trade shows, what is it about trade shows that are good for you as a company?
I think our industry is important to do these sort of trade shows still, even in 2022. You can't have a good demo where you can see your own work being done, have a go with the machine yourself online. You need to see the machine and see how it's built, see if it fits your business, come with your team to a show like this. So I see over the next few years certainly these shows really important for us as a business and for a lot of other companies here and some that are not here as well. So hopefully it'll be a bigger show next year. Even though it's extremely busy today, we're really happy to be here and it looks like it's going to be great.
Perfect. Anything you want to add?
No, thank you for the interview. Thanks for having us here. Really enjoy working with you.
One thing I have been asking is if people are watching this and they want to get in touch with you to learn more about what you have, how can they do that?
So you quick Google search, our website is vivid-online.com. We're all over LinkedIn and our socials as well. Our telephone number's on there. Please, anything we can help with, even if you're not in the market to buy the machine, just want some help, advice, ring us. We'll help if we can.
Perfect. Awesome.